Oh. You right, buddy? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, coming. You alright, buddy? Fucking hell. So it's a bit cold this morning, so I thought I'd better get myself some heated grips, and I got some attached to the S1000RR, and what a bloody machine, honestly. So last time I rode one of these, super busy. Got a little bit of a chance to play with it, but not too much. Today should be a bit different. Oh, I love it. I don't have my earplugs in, so I want to listen to it, but that's probably a mistake. I can't hear anything. Oh man, I hate these trucks. Takes a bit more weight to muscle this thing around. A bit more like push on the bars, as to be expected. But it's surprisingly easy. Quick shifter's good. So this is a 2015 model, and it's got a warning light on, which is interesting. Oh, there's cruise control. Very nice. Oh, this thing is excellent. Definitely way more lent over than my bike. Feel it in my back a bit more. Gotta get used to taking the weight on my legs, because the Ninja 400 is such an upright bike. It's basically a naked with a fairing on. But it's nice, it's not too bad though. And it's still double demerits at the moment. So it doesn't like to quick shift on lower revs, it seems. Down seems very smooth though. Instinctively roll off the throttle, so I've got to train that out. It's not bad. It's a bit of a clunk up and down in on the quick shifter, but it's not too bad. I think it's because I'm at low revs. It probably works a lot nicer when you're caning it. Let's try down here. Oh, see, down is super smooth. Up was okay though. It's not as hot as the other one was. That down blip is real nice. See what it's like doing U-turns. Yeah, it's good. Do you know what the warning light's for? Sorry? There's a warning light.
What is the light?
Yeah, it's better when you give it some beans. It's super smooth then. Oh god, what a machine. It's got a bit of poke. Nice bit of crackle and pop in the exhaust too. Just makes you want to cane it everywhere though. Woohoo! Oh, this thing's so nice. The brakes are pretty strong. Don't want to get caught out with those. Easy to flick. Yeah, you need to be rolling on the throttle really for the quick shifter. It works, but if you're steady throttle, it just sort of clunks in. God, this thing goes! Oh, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. He doesn't seem to care about the double demerits. I think the most surprising thing about these bikes is just how easy they are to ride. Just jumping on from a 400 that I've been driving for months, and it's just, don't even have to think about it. Don't get me wrong, you've got to be careful. Like, it just coaxes you into it nicely. Yeah, it's comfortable. When you get used to it, it's comfortable. It's got more comfortable as the ride's gone on, which is quite strange. It's just so much more comfortable all of a sudden. The brakes are ridiculous. Oh. You right, buddy? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, coming. You right, buddy? Fucking hell. Hold on. What's that? Indicator, I think. You right, bud? You okay? Yeah, take a minute, man. Take a minute. What happened? Oh, fuck.
I'm okay.
Yeah, he's alright. Hi.
Alright?
Yeah, he's alright, he's alright. Not sure what happened there. Didn't expect that to happen. You okay? At least I got you on camera, mate. Yeah. Jeez, well that was interesting. No idea what happened there. Finishing the test ride. And oh, this thing feels so lightweight after that. And he went to do a U-turn, and next thing I know, he's on the floor. I'm gonna have to watch the footage back to see exactly what happened. He said he hit some sort of metal strip on the floor. A little bit of damage to the bike. Some fairing damage, mirrors scuffed, indicator snapped. Other than that, I think he took the weight of most of the bike, so it's not too bad. Yeah, wow, didn't expect that to happen. Just shows with bikes, you just never know, do you? Well, apart from that, test ride was pretty good. The bike was nice. It had a bit of trouble starting. Not entirely sure what it was. They said it was battery because it's been sat for a while. They valued this, and it's a bit low, to be honest. So I'm gonna have to work that out. Yeah, they offered 3.5, which is pretty much half what I paid for it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to sell it privately. Anyway, so that's that. S1000RR test ride and a crash. What a way to start my Saturday morning. Thank you, Bike Biz in Granville. Thank you very much to Pat for letting me test ride the S1000RR. Very kind.